Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to make table contents in Word. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, here I'm on my Word file, and here you can see I have some data. So you have to make sure you have arrange. You need to arrange all titles, heading on proper way. You can see this is my heading one. So if you want to make heading one, okay. So I just make it heading one to all. Okay, you can see I just make the heading one. So this is all heading. This is all heading is my heading one, and there is a heading two title subheading. There is a what I will show you how you can add heading one in you know contents table. So first you have to go in preference. If you don't have find your preference tab, so just click anywhere and just right click anywhere and just customize ribbons, and you can find preference here. Just click on preference. I have already add here, so I did not see. You have to if you untick, you have to tick and just okay. And if you don't find here reference option, just find from here and just tick it and add in, and just click on okay. Then it will be add here. So now you have to go in table contents. In table content, you will see three type of contents you can create. First one, automatic tables. There is another automatic tables where and there is a different we can read on popper like automatic table content, labeled content that include all text format with the heading 1 and 3. And second automatic table you can see automatic table contain label table content that include all text format with the heading 1 and 3. Okay, so same, there is no different I think. Okay, here is you can manage manually. So you can remove table also from here. You can customize table and you can more table if you want from office, from online. Okay, so I just use I want to use this automatic table one. Just click on it, and you can see all heading one content has been updated here. If you want to move it, you can change it which heading two. Okay, there is a page number. You can see all my content on my page number one, and only last bookmark on page number two. So okay, if I move it bookmark 2 in page number 1, so it will be change here, the number will be change here. Okay, so tick mark. Okay, just undo it, and I want to make it in my first page. I want my content in my first page. I just insert. You can insert page from here also. I just take. You can insert page from here also. Okay, blank page. Or I just okay, undo it. Okay, so I just insert blank page here, and you can see one blank page. There's a two blank page has been. Okay, so I want to insert content here. To go to reference here, table contents, and you can see table contents has been inserted here. Okay, so you can update table contents when you update page numbers, or you can, if you move your content in another page number. If your style content, if you move this style content in another page, you can update here from numbers. If you update any another heading, like if I just copy it, paste to another, just make it like test. Okay, so I just update this another heading, and if I go to the table and update and click on enter table, here you can see another heading has been updated. Okay, so if you want to make subheading, like in style you want to make subheading, just go to the style, and here if I write like, if I just copy, I will copy it and just write another paragraph with subheading. So you have to select heading here first and go to the home, and here you have to click subheading. And if you go in content, if you update entire word, you can see in style one subheading has been added. Okay, so that is how you can insert table contents in word. You want, if you want to delete, you can delete this page. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.